Today I'll show you how to use Playable.ai step by step. We are going to take the game from a rough first draft to this is actually fun by doing only one thing, chatting with AI. For the Frozen Forest, I'm going to begin with something simple on purpose. So now think of it like you're chatting with a game developer and try to describe to them what your game is going to look like. A vague prompt will give vague games. So instead of make me a survival game, we will try to be a little bit specific by describing the game environment. For instance, I want a survival game where there is a man with an axe on top of a snowy mountain. So after we wrote our first prompt, the AI agent is going to ask us a few questions in order to optimize our game. Now after our first draft is done, we'll give it a quick try. In this draft, try not to overthink it, give the game a little bit of a try and see where you can make fixes. So for instance, in our first try, I would love the trees to have more visual flares when they are broken and to have the axe animation working and also to attach the axe to the player. And as we can see, the AI made the fixes that we requested. There's the axe animation, there's the movement of the player, but we want to enhance it even more. And during this phase, we will focus on one important thing, which is to observe, fix, and iterate. So we will do this for about 3 to 5 times until our game turns from a prototype to a real experience. So for instance, I don't like the tree stump here that shows after we cut down the tree. So I prompt the AI to fix it. And as we can see here, the game looks better, the animations are working, the movement is working, and the experience looks better overall. But now let's take it to the next level. So in the next phase, we will focus on making the game look even more interesting. We'll focus on the core game loop and the mechanics. So here I asked my game developer, which is the AI agent, that I would like to expand the crafting mechanics even more. So what suggestions would it give me to expand it nicely? Remember, we're just chatting with AI. So here's going to make a tent, which requires 4 woods, and a wooden cabin, which requires 10 woods. And this will make the game experience even more enjoyable. And as we can see here, the 3D model of the tent doesn't look the most perfect. So I'll ask AI to generate new ones and for the campfire. And as we can see here, the campfire 3D model looks better. And also the tent. And here as we can see, we built our first cabin using the 10 woods that we obtained from the trees. And here to make the game extra fun, I'm going to ask it to add a brown bear that is going to attack me and I have to kill it. So here I asked it to add an animation for when the bear dies and then it disappears. As we can see here, our bear looks too muscular. He's been hitting the gym consistently. And the dying animation that we put is working as expected. There are 2 bears ganging up on me. I think I'm going to die. And they killed me. Here I wanted to polish the game even further. So I'd like to enhance the screen effects. I added a random survivors. And if I go and help them out, they'll give me extra resources. And include tutorial tips, status screen, and achievements. Now let's give our final game a try. As we can see, the game audio is enhanced. We have background music running. We also hear the blizzard sound effect to get us more into the environment. Also the sound effects of chopping a tree. We have the achievement of the lumberjack. Let's build a campfire here. And as we can see, here's the survivor that we put. He's waving to us. We'll go ahead and help him. And we've obtained our achievement for that. And we survived in the forest. As we can see here are the numbers of the bears we killed, the people we rescued, the distance we walked, the trees we chopped down, and the shelters that we built. And we have the achievements that we unlocked. And last and final phase is to publish the game with gamer friends to try it out and give us feedback on the game. Now we click on publish and we can share the game with our friends or our team or anyone. We can let them try it and observe their feedback on it. They could tell us that I didn't know what to do first, or the enemy is too hard, or this part is fun, make more of it. Then you bring all of that feedback into the chat and iterate again. You can also publish it to Discover so other players on the website can find it and give it a try. That's it. You build a draft, improve it by chatting, publish, get feedback, and iterate. Try out Playable.ai. I'll leave a link in the description. And once you sign up, you will get free credits to bring your first game to life. And have a good one.